video, I'm going to show you how to get the turn-by-turn navigation on your cluster. This only works on the 8-inch cluster. So using Forscan, we're going to go on configuration and programming. We're going to click on IPC module configuration. And we're going to go all the way down. And we're going to click on turn-by-turn navigation. And I already have it enabled, so I'm going to show you how it works. So now I'm going to put something on the GPS to show you guys that it pops up on the cluster. I'm just doing something random so you guys can see it works. And there you have it. The turn-by-turn shows up on the cluster.